In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the print size to 8.5 by 11 inches in Google Sheets. This process is crucial if you want to print your spreadsheet or save it as a PDF in this standard paper size, often referred to as letter. Now, while Google Sheets itself doesn't allow you to set the 8.5 by 11 dimensions directly within the Sheet's main settings, you can easily adjust these settings when you're about to print or save your file. Let me walk you through the steps, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, go ahead and open the Google Sheet you want to work with. Once you're ready and have your document open, you'll want to navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear as you click on it. From there, choose the Print option. Now, let me share a quick tip. Instead of using your mouse to navigate to the File menu, you can speed up this process by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard, and it will take you directly to the print settings. This is particularly handy if you're managing multiple documents and want to streamline your workflow. With the Print Settings panel now open on the right-hand side of your screen, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options available. You will notice a section for paper size. This is where you can specify the dimensions for your printout. Go ahead and select Paper Size. A list of available formats will drop down for you to choose from. Scroll through these options to find Letter 8.5 x 11. Click on this selection to ensure your document will be formatted to these dimensions when printed or saved as a PDF. Once you've made your selection, you're almost done. Look towards the bottom of the panel and you'll see a Next button. Click it, and you'll be presented with your final options. Here, you can choose whether to print the document directly by selecting your printer from the available list, or you can opt to save the sheet as a PDF. If your intent is to keep a digital copy, simply choose Save as PDF. Voila! You're all set with your Google Sheet now ready to be printed or saved in the standard letter format of 8.5 by 11 inches. This method ensures your document maintains a professional look across all uses, whether you're sharing it with colleagues or archiving your digital files. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you on more tech tips in future sessions.